Hi everyone, it's me, Leigh with Victorian Dreams by Leigh. I am back home. I was in Alaska for a week, 8 days for my 40th wedding anniversary. We took a cruise and I'm back home and I wanted to show you what I have found. Very vintage Anna Griffin. I wanted to show you what I found and I also wanted to tell you that after this video, I will be starting the Christmas Beginners Christmas album kit and tutorials on a double page layout like I just did with the wildflower. I'm going to do the Simply Noel scrapbook kit. So let me show you that while I am actually got it in my hand. Um, I've been working on that. So this is going to be there's the first page and it's a double because this and then the back. And so, yeah, we will be doing that after this video starting tomorrow. And it is done and full. But what I really wanted to show you is I did the wildflowers, then I did the Noel. What I really wanted to show you is old vintage Anna Griffin that I found cleaning. So this is, I don't want to show my old address. I don't even live in the state of Florida, but I'm there half the year, but I don't live there. I stay at my sister's or my mom's. But look what I found, and I haven't even used it, so I'm going to open it and show you. And so this was from what year? '04. So it's 20 years old. It costs $14.67, but there is like 3 different kits in here. So I'll show you what costs the 14. But here is the Anna Griffin Video Workshop Kit. I've never even opened it, so that's going to be fun. I'm going to look through here, and I have a sister-in-law that can convert this, so I literally have to get someone to convert it. I wonder if she would trade this in and give me the other one. Okay, so there's that. Then I have Anna Griffin Elegant Paper Crafting Sticker Set. I don't know how much this was. When was this made? 2003. And so this I think I bought because there's an album kit in here. So let's see what it used to look like, which is still so usable because look at those colors. Those are her colors from Always. So that's what's so great is everything is still her colors. Oh my gosh. Oh my Lord, look at those stickers. Look at that. Oh my goodness. So that is going to be fun. And I'm pretty sure, 99% sure, I bought this to go with the bottom kit. This is from Plaid because she has partnership with Plaid. This is the Anna Griffin Elegant Card Making Kit. Handmade greeting cards with ribbon stamps, brass stencils, and paper punches. I don't think everything is in here. I might have used some of it. This is from what year? Does it say what year? Huh. It doesn't say what year, but it's got to be from around there. So somewhere in here, look at what she, look at the baby. She's so young there. But it's got ideas. So I just cleaned out some storages that I had in Florida. And so, yeah, I'm getting back into, this is a cute one here. And it shows right here how to do it and everything. Very pretty. So that, and I think this is what goes with it. So, I mean, there's But the heavy cardstock is where I'm confused. There's punch outs. You know what? This has to be part of the album kit. So let me put this to the side. Maybe I just got the book. Maybe it didn't come with other stuff. I don't know. But I do know that what came in this box was the Botanical Mini Album Scrapbook Kit. And it's a 6x6. And this has to be that comes with it. And this was what year? Oh, 2003, but must have been at the end of the year because I got it in 2004. But it has punch outs. It has punch outs for frames and different things. It has the album. And here's the paper. So here's the 6x6 paper. Very thin, not cardstock, but not as thin as other copy paper. But look at that. So there's that, and I don't even know if this is the color it used to be because it's not been in the sun, but it's post-bound. Oh, so there's that. It has, see, I don't know which one this goes with, and it has ribbon and corner things. So this must go with this to fit. Or maybe I have two different kits here. Because I don't understand this, which I can use this. And then let's look at this vintage paper. So let me do this so I can keep them together. Let me put this back in here and put that back in here and this back in here. Because I know all that goes together. I know I bought the stickers to go with this kit, even though I hadn't used them. Oh, I gotta go crossways. I think that's just the book. I'll put this back in here. And now let's go through this old vintage paper and fit. Maybe it was to make an album, but oh my lord, they're punch outs. That's gonna be nice. Or maybe it all went together, but it's nice to find. And her colors, all the palette still matches the greens and all. Oh, that is a pretty see-through. It's not acetate. I don't know. Let's see what else we have. 8.5 by 11 papers. And then there is cards, note cards. Now this was in the bottom. Doesn't say the year. This is in the bottom of the box, and I just stuck it with the rest of the 12 by 12. But I think it goes with this, so let's just look and see what papers I have. So this is all really thin paper. Oh, I love that it's the blue because I want to do a baby boy album, and that I love. And then that is her signature yellow. And there's some more blue. Oh, look at how it all matches and looks so good. Then there's the cream. See, like this would go with those colors. I might find it. Look at that. And then there's the pinks and the purple. Oh, and look at that. I love these sheets. I want her to bring these back to match all the rest because I love those. I love checkered. Only one of that. Maybe there's a double. There's a pink. Now we're getting into the green. Oh, look at this. Oh, I'm going to do some scrapbook pages with this. Oh, look. Oh, the children. If she sells this individually, she needs to bring this back into a kit. I'm going to send this to her and say, hey, what is this I have? And redo this whole package. She's going to say you could probably buy it individually. Look at that, guys. We want that. We want that. We can cut this and it can be borders. And then this can be page layouts, so many different ways. Uh, this can make a skinny junk journal page too. There's so much you could do with that. That's just a green page with purples. It's not my favorite color, but I'm loving it. I like the line pages. Oh, I'm having so much fun. Look at this. I haven't seen this color. See, there's that page. So it did come out of here. Look at that. We haven't seen that. We want to re-see this. We want to not re-see it. That's not the right word. We want to have these in our life again, don't we, everyone? We want this. We want this. I'm going to have to send her a video. Look at that. If there was two of those, there's your double page layout already. You know, if she's making create uh, or prop at home, she can do these, and then our page layout is boom, boom, quick and easy. Really for beginners too, to make it so easy. We need this in our life. I don't remember exactly which one this is, what kit that I got right here. Um, but oh, Anna, bring this back, bring this back, bring this vintage paper back. Yeah. So guys, you never know what I'm going to be up to, what I'm making. So hit the subscribe and like button and the bell so that you can see what I'm doing and so that you will see what videos is coming up. Isn't that fun? That was fun. That was fun to go through. I don't even know if I looked at much of it 20 years ago. So I have her very first item she ever um, sold, and I have several. And then I gave one to my mom, and I just took it back from her. But guys, if it's anything about Anna, I know it. Now Claire, uh, she can tell you what die, when, and find it. But I don't know if I can do that. My memory's not that good. But I can tell you that, yeah, I've been with Anna since day one, and I love her. Her quality is so good. This is 20 years old, and the quality is still there, guys. And it's even better now because this isn't cardstock, but it is usable. Well, guess what? I've got to go do laundry. I'm going to come back and I'm going to play with this. But what's up next is the scrapbook Christmas Noel scrapbook double page layouts. There'll probably be 10 to 15 videos. So that is coming up next. It's kind of for beginners, but I do use all the embellishments and all the uh, ephemera. I did not watch any videos of Anna's. It's all my own idea. But Anna does have videos out there for you to learn. So you should be a member um, so that you can see a lot of it. But I do my own thing because I've been with her for so long. So I'm not copywriting anything. And so, yeah. But anyway, everybody, thank you for watching. This was fun. I'm so happy to go through this. This was like Christmas. Have a blessed day.